Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stella, and today we're gonna make a skewered sausage rice cake and spam mayo kimbap. The skewered sausage rice cake became famous after comedian Young Lee introduced this food to TV show. I had it once in Moonkyung Express service area. I never knew that sausage and rice cake can be such a good combination. I miss this food so much, but I haven't had much chance to visit the place again. So I decided to make it by myself. Also, spam mayo kimbap is a very simple food that you can make it at home too. So before we start cooking, let me show you the ingredient that we need. Rice cake, sausage, sesame, ketchup, oligosaccharide, red pepper paste, spring onion. Cut the sausage into a half. My rice cake is too thin, so I have to make it similar size. Also, I'll chop spring onion up. I'm gonna put this in a sauce, so make sure to make it as small as possible. Boil the water and put rice cake into it. Boil this about 3 minutes. I'll make rice cake softer. Put an oil into a pan and rice cake and fry it for about 5 minutes. Also, put an oil into a pan and put a sausage. Fry it for 5 minutes. Let's make a sauce. Put a 4 spoons of ketchup, two spoons of red pepper paste, four spoons of oligosaccharide, put a chopped spring onion and half cup of water. Boil this for 2 minutes. I'm gonna cut fried sausage into another half. Prepare a stick. Put a sausage into a stick, then put a rice cake afterwards. Repeat this process until the end. Put a sesame into a sauce and mix this using a spoon. Try using stick or brush. Spread the sauce on both sides of rice cake and sausage. If skewered sausage rice cake is ready, let's make a spam mayo kimbap. Dried lover, honey, spam, salt, steamed rice, sesame oil, mayonnaise, lemon juice. Prepare steamed rice and put 1 spoon of sesame oil and beautiful salt. Mix this together using wooden paddle. It's time to make a lemon mayonnaise. Put 5 spoons of mayonnaise. Put 3 spoons of lemon juice. Put 2 spoons of honey. Mix them together using spoon. wash the spam with water. Cut them into 5 pieces. Cut them again into 4 pieces, making like a short stick. Put them on a pan and fry it for 5 minutes. Cut the lobster into half and cut them into another half. Spread the 1 or 2 spoons of steamed rice and spread it on the lobster. Put on spam in the middle of it. Add 1 spoon of lemon mayonnaise beside of it. Try rolling it using hands. After finish rolling it, cut them with a knife. When you cut a small size kimbap, be careful not to cut them into small pieces. Just make it roughly chopped. Now I'm so ready to eat skewered sauce rice cake and spam mayo kimbap. I like the chewy texture of rice cake, and it really goes well with a sausage. This is exactly what I had in the express service area, and I love it. Then let me try spam mayo kimbap. The sour taste of lemon mayonnaise mitigate the salty taste of spam. Try making this at home and share this with your family and friends. So, did you enjoy this video? If so, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.